This will be a quick little video if you have the a Volvo between 99 and 2002 and your oil is very rough. So it tries to keep it at 1,000. It'll go below and above and below and above. Sometimes it'll even almost stall, then go back. This is a quick little fix for this, mostly if you have an older car though. Up to 2002. After 2002, well, I don't know how to fix that. Basically, you're going to look for this first. It's a magnetic, basically it tells you the position of the valve inside here. Volvo upgraded these on their own expenses. They call the cars back to the factories to fix it. Oh, fucking seagulls. And because they did this, most of all Volvos are fixed. They have this, which means that you just need to clean the valve inside here. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So yeah, you just disconnect this hose and disconnect the battery, and you disconnect that plug here, this one. Just follow the wiring of this. It's behind, kind of below on the other side, because I flipped mine around. Okay, so you disconnect the battery, and you just stick this down wherever it doesn't touch anything. And you could just leave this as it is, because we won't really do anything more back here. Take a rag, take your favorite degreaser, Tech 7 cleaner, brake. Don't use brake cleaner, that might be a bit strong, but just go to town inside here. Check that, it's a bit dirty. So basically, you clean this out, take some silicone lube or something, here and here. I don't know if you can see that, but only each side of this rod. Just do that if it's like a bit rough. However, mine's very smooth, so it shouldn't be an issue. Although, don't let it like slap, because if you drop it, it'll bounce. It's not very good for a servo, so just release it gently. Yeah, you probably need to take this off if you have to clean it on the other side completely. I'll clean mine, so I'm not going to do that, but you can do that if you really want to. Or if the oil, or if this doesn't fix the oil.
Okay, so start your car up. I'll just put on the ignition. Wait a little 10-11 seconds. You can go ahead and actually change your language here if you need that. You can also do it through this little menu here on the side. If you find it, I'll call it bother. Yeah, so just start it up, and you'll see it hovers around 1500 RPMs. It'll actually go itself down until about 1000, and when it reaches 1000, it'll just, yeah, it'll be done. This usually takes 2 or 3 minutes. Don't touch anything. Don't give it the gas. Don't move the car. Just let it idle until it's about 1000 RPMs, and it'll stay there, hopefully.